Warning, the villain that is killing your search results are Haibu-style package marketing. Package marketing is like the fast food of healthcare marketing. It's standardized, it's easy to sell, and it usually leaves you with a little indigestion. And the reports? It's like the gym receipt. There's activity on paper, but no progress. What it usually creates is a template website with really broad or generic copy, thin pages that don't answer real patient questions. There's no real differentiation between authority, there's no proof, and marketing dollars that don't work because, well, the foundation is weak. From experience, here's what's winning right now in digital marketing. When we help healthcare companies follow this exact plan, we get really good results. So here's what we do to help our clients. They get more specific, not compassionate care. I mean, everybody says that. They build pages around specific content of the exact services and problems that they solve. They earn mentions everywhere. Reviews, community visibility, partnerships, local credibility, and content that actually gets referenced. They use video as trust building. Short answers to real patient questions, clear expectations, calm authority. Look, trust converts. They connect the website, SEO, and their ads. Google Ads doesn't live in a bubble, and better pages convert better, and that lowers your costs. In 2026, the winners aren't just getting clicks. They're getting mentioned, trusted, and talked about. If your healthcare practice isn't growing like you think it should, and you want more clarity as to why, reach out. Reach out on our website, message us below, and we'll tell you exactly why. Arcane Marketing will give you all of the information that you need for free, with no obligation. Let's talk soon.